how to turn on or off Outlook New Message Alert pop-up. At the top left corner, you should see the File option. Click on that, then go to Settings. When you click on Settings, then this kind of dialog box or menu box will open. From the left panel, select General, then go to the Notification option. Under the section Notify Me About, you will see the Mail option. You can just turn it on or off from right here. If you want to see more options, just extend the panel. Now you can see other features also and adjust them as well. You can also turn on or off each section. Along with that, you can also adjust the play sound. If you click on the default or extend that option, you will see default or none. Make sure to select default. You can also select notification style. So just like this, you will be able to turn on or off Outlook New Message Alert pop-up. That's all for today. Thank you.